Sit. So, do you have a dog that pops up as soon as you move to try to do anything with him? Start trying to do things like this. Sit. You want to make sure you're giving them a release command. So in this case, I'm going to tell him to jump. Up. Good boy. And I'm going to reward him when he's doing that. So say for instance, if he... Sit. No. If he moves, I'm going to let him know that he's doing incorrect behavior. So I'm going to tell him, no. Sit. No. Up. Good. And when he does it correct, I'm going to let him know. Mark the behaviors you want the dog to do, correct the ones you don't. Sit. Nope. Up. Oh, yeah. Good boy. Stay tuned. Take care of your dog. Sit.